Hey folks, it's Mark from the Safe House. Going to show you a new Vaultek that we just received. It's the NMRI. So we're going to do a little unboxing real quick and show you some of the features of this unit. So folks, we're back. So that was a quick unboxing of this new unit that we just received. So this is a really compact unit to put in a closet on a shelf or something. It's got the pull-out drawer on it to put your items on. It also has enough room to slip a couple of either pistols or other valuables in there. It's going to have the standard features of the Vaultek. It's going to have the keypad on it, the biometric system, which holds up to 20 fingerprints. Always got the backup key override right there. Don't lose your keys. Don't put them in the safe. And then it's got the new system. It's the ViSN. So to get more information on that, go to a Vaultek website and it explains all that. And it's really a cool thing that they've come up with. So if you got any questions about any of the Vaultek, this new NMRI, which is tough for me to say real fast. And then of course we got the larger unit also, which is taller than the shorter unit, but this is a great compact unit from Vaultek. So if you have any questions about Vaultek, go to one of our 3 locations. Go to the website right down there, thesafehouse.com. Like and subscribe our videos, and y'all stay safe out there.